Thank you for calling the Britain Branch Office of Jehovah's Witnesses. Please select from the following options. For Service Department, press 1. For Legal Department, press 2.
Britain Branch Legal Department.
Hello. Oh, I didn't realise today. The 2nd of April was when who was it? President Wilson declared war on Germany. Did you know? On the 2nd of April, my cousin's name's Wilson, and also the Falklands War began today. So I just thought I'd let you know that I'm sending out a Shroud of Turin document to the news. So you know, I want headquarters to know, so you're prepared. Jehovah always warns you before he does it, but that is going out to hundreds and hundreds to prove that my son Joshua is Jesus Christ in the flesh. And I can prove it by the Shroud of Turin and Face++, which has matched the face of my son Joshua to the Shroud of Turin by 80%, and the threshold is 73. This AI powered face recognition software is the best in the world, and the threshold is 73. Anything over, it's the same person. So if you want to go on my YouTube channel, Jehovah'S, and look at all the supernatural things that have been going on. Do you know in North America where the world headquarters are? Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, there's been flashing lights. If you look on my YouTube channel, there's a person called Mr. MBB333, and he's never had flashing lights ever before sent to him. He does world phenomena and that, and like sky phenomena and clouds and things. And basically, these lights have been going on since November. My son Joshua is Jesus Christ, was born in November, and he's got over 700 locations and 700 videos, right, of lights flashing all over North America for no reason. Car lights flashing, all the hazard lights flashing and everything. You know Joel 2:30 where it says, "And I will show wonders in the heavens and on the earth below." You know that scripture, don't you, brother? Well, my friend Jason, who I met a few months ago, is Jason of Arathemia, has been resurrected or reincarnated. Matthew is here. When I got sectioned in the mental hospital last year, there was a lad called Daniel Lowe. Lowe means lion, and he claimed to be the prophet Daniel. So if you want to have a talk with him, I'm not making this up, brother. Right, you know, in Daniel chapter 12, it says at the end in 13, Daniel, you'll go to sleep for a while and then you'll stand up at the end of days. Yeah, and also look at Hosea chapter 5, verse 3, verse 5, where it says, and the Israel will be without a king, and that's Jehovah's Witnesses. And then it says they'll come before King David. Right, he's already here. He's called David Tyranny. He's coming to rule Jehovah's Witnesses. He doesn't know yet, but basically it says that in the end of days they'll come to see Jehovah. And in Revelation chapter 2, 21 verse 3, Message Bible, go and have a look. I heard a loud a voice from the throne say, look, God has moved into the neighborhood to live with men and women. That's the Message Bible. Go and look in the New World Translation, Isaiah 30 verse 20, and basically it brings this this thing against you, the Jehovah's Witnesses, and it says you will see your grand instructor with your own eyes. Right?
Thank you so much for your
brother, there's war being declared today on the Watchtower, and you are going down. Read Isaiah chapter 13, please, yeah?
Thank you so much for your call.
Right, you're going down, mate.
Bye-bye.
Bye.